Hey everyone, Steph here for Moto Travel. I hope you do marvelously well. Well, I'm going back on the road and I got a lot of new gear right after this. So, where am I going? Well, let me tell you, I'm going back to Germany, of all places. I actually can't wait because the main reason to go over there is to visit my dad. He's living alone, he's 85 years of age and I haven't seen him for 7 months. What is a long time. We had a few scares, so I think it's for me definitely time to get there. My plan is to stay there for 4 weeks and use it as a base, but I had to do some planning ahead because with the situation in Europe and that C-19 going on and off, I really did not know what to expect. So what I did, let me show you, I packed up a box of equipment, what I need to work, because obviously we have to make a living. So there is a storage array, a VoIP phone, all sorts of other stuff I need to do my job. So at least I can set up a base at my dad's place, and we just installed broadband over there. So I will be able to get on with things whatever happens. I do not hope, obviously, there will be another shutdown or borders will close, but you never know. You have to play it by ear, and I just want to be prepared. Enough of that. If you go on the road, there's always a good excuse to buy some gear. So let me tell you what has changed. I just give you a quick run through and then I will make videos about all that equipment in more detail when I'm on the road, so I can give you a really good idea how that stuff performs. Well, my tried and tested sleeping arrangement was always the Heliox cot, what is actually a marvelous piece of equipment, but it is a bit bulky, and be fair, it never was a problem. But I decided I want to travel with the smaller ADV tent this time, and it is just a tiny little bit too big to go on the inside. You get it on the inside, but you have to assemble it on the inside. So yeah, I decided I give something else a go. Obviously, to keep warm, you have to have a thermarest on top of it. So looking at it as a package to carry around, that's quite a bundle. So what I decided to do is I bought myself from my own money, what is it called? A sleeping mat from Sea to Summit. That is the Comfort Plus XT. It's like a 2-layer, 2-chamber inflatable mat. And what I really like on it is that outside sack here, actually you use to blow it up. Because quite frankly, these mouthpieces on the thermarest. The next thing what I did is, let's put that to one side. I had a bit of an upgrade to my cooking system. That's what I always used to take with me. It is basically my pot and pans, 30 years old, been everywhere around the world with me, but I think finally I decided to leave that at home. And when it comes to coffee, and I do like my coffee, I carried that last year, and now I'm just going back to the instant stuff because it's just so much easier. Some people call it's not coffee, it's just brown water. So be it, but it saves me a lot of room. In terms of pots and pans, I got myself a new mug because first of all it got some volume measurements in there, so when I do my ready meal stuff I can mix that up a bit. That's my old one, and that is the new one. It's slightly bigger, so you can warm up a soup or something like that straight in a little mug, so that will do me, and it packs up nicely. Put that together with a coffee, you know, it is a small little package. When it comes to pots and pans, I had a video before. That's my new 1 liter water kettle. I used it several times now, and it is fine. It's great. It does the trick. Obviously, don't compare it with a nice, proper, sturdy pot. It is a bit wobbly, but you know, when you fill it up with water and you just want to make yourself a coffee, that is definitely good enough. And this bit here is absolutely wonderful. I have a video about that. It's basically a folding pot. You can use it as a plate, you can use it as a cup, as a pot, and it works really well. But again, there will be videos as I go along on the trip. So that is it. Another upgrade I did to my bike is I got myself a wireless charger from Quadlock. I mean, I use that system for years now, and my mobile phone is really my main source of photography or vlogging, and this whole system works for me really well. However, in the past, obviously, I had my USB-C connector on it, and be fair, on a longer trip that stuff starts wearing out a bit quick. I had some connection problems, so I decided to give that a shot. So as usual, all that gear I just showed you, I bought from my own money. So when I do the reviews, they are completely accurate and independent. So, and they will come because obviously I will use the stuff on the road now. And there's no better way of testing stuff than when you throw it in the thick of it. Right guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Quick update from my end. But videos come now fast and quick. Until next time guys, ride safe and stay safe. Bye.